We woke up bright and early around 2:30 a.m. and made our way to the gate. Starting in 2024, the Japanese government has put some regulations in place for climbers. They've reserved 1,000 spots for walk-ins, but we decided to play it safe and booked our spots online. We started our climb in the dark, the air was cold, and the path ahead was invisible. As the first light of dawn broke over the horizon, the landscape slowly revealed itself. By 4 a.m., the sun began to rise, and we could finally see the road ahead. At this early hour, there were barely people on the trail, just the occasional traveler here and there.
Vlog. I did. When you were vlogging, I was vlogging too.
When we reached the 7th station, the view in front of us was absolutely breathtaking. The sun's rays were casting gold light all around us, and the world felt so quiet, almost magical. By 5 a.m., it was bright enough to see everything clearly. The path became steeper, the rocks more jagged, and the temperature started to drop. The wind picked up too, adding to the challenge. After 3 hours of climbing, we were still not at the 8th station. It seemed so close, but it wasn't easy to reach. When we got to the 8th station, it became more crowded. Climbers who had stayed overnight at the 7th and 8th stations were now making their way up. Most of them were elderly and moving slowly, so we found ourselves stuck behind them for a while. The path was narrow and passing wasn't an option, so it felt like the climb was taking even longer. After about 4 hours, we finally reached the ninth station. The weather had changed completely. Fog, cold winds, and rain made it feel like we were on a completely different mountain. And that's when we truly understood what it meant to climb Mount Fuji. At the top, the fog was so thick that we couldn't see a thing. There were a few shops where you could grab some food or drink, and benches for climbers to rest after their long ascent.
You saw that? We can't see anymore.
You can walk around the crater, and we tried to do just that. At certain points, the path got so narrow, it felt a little scary. But the view, despite the fog, was still breathtaking. It felt like we stepped onto another planet, or the moon, with the clouds swirling around us. Mount Fuji sits right on the border between two prefectures. We started our climb in Yamanashi, but as you walk, you can cross into Shizuoka. It's amazing how one mountain can connect two different places in such a unique way. And just when we thought that the fog would never lift, it started to clear, revealing views that were nothing short of breathtaking. It made the entire climb feel worth it. That was our climb of Mount Fuji. It was tough, but absolutely worth every step. The challenge, the weather, and the sense of accomplishment made it an experience we'll never forget. We are excited to share more about Japan's beautiful nature with you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more adventures. Let us know in the comments which places in Japan you'd love to see, and we'll do our best to take you there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.